Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse, your hub for practical and innovative tech that makes daily life easier. Today, we're reviewing the Shark CarpetXpert HairPro Upright Carpet Cleaner, a powerful and versatile cleaning solution perfect for homes with pets, heavy foot traffic, or anyone who wants carpet spotless. Starting with performance, this upright carpet cleaner is engineered to tackle dirt, grime, pet hair, and odors with ease. Its powerful suction and brush system lift embedded debris from carpets, leaving surfaces fresh and clean. No more worrying about stubborn stains or lingering pet odors, the HairPro handles it all. The Shark CarpetXpert comes with a specialized pet cleaning solution, optimized for tackling tough hair and odors while being gentle on carpet fibers. Whether it's your furry friends shedding daily or accidental spills, this carpet cleaner ensures deep, hygienic cleaning. Its lightweight and ergonomic design makes maneuvering effortless, even on stairs or under furniture. You won't feel strained while cleaning large areas, making it ideal for regular use in busy households. The cleaner also features easy fill and easy empty tanks, so refills and disposal are simple and mess-free. Combined with Shark's advanced brush and suction system, your carpets will dry faster and look revitalized after every session. Shark's commitment to performance is clear in the HairPro's durable build, user-friendly design, and powerful cleaning results. It's perfect for anyone who wants professional-level carpet care at home, without renting heavy machines or spending hours scrubbing by hand. In short, the Shark CarpetXpert HairPro Upright Carpet Cleaner delivers deep cleaning, pet hair removal, and odor control in a compact, easy-to-use package. Buy it now on Amazon using the link below. And don't forget to subscribe to Gadgetverse for more trusted tech reviews that make your home cleaner, smarter, and more efficient.